Tablo is your portal to free TV, delivering the best of broadcast TV and free live streaming TV channels to every screen in your home. In the following walkthrough, we'll detail how to scan for TV channels and select which channels to add to your Tablo TV guide. The Tablo Setup Wizard will walk you through scanning for antenna TV channels and selecting your channel lineup. Make sure to review your channel lineup to ensure that the broadcast TV networks and free streaming channels you want all have a blue check mark. This means they will appear in the Tablo Apps Guide so you can watch and record them. If you aren't seeing all the channels you expect after the channel scan, you may want to reposition your TV antenna and try a rescan. Select Save and Continue, and your Tablo will then start to download the TV Guide data schedule for your selected channel lineup. This process can take several minutes, depending on how many channels are in your guide. We recommend running a new channel scan every few months to make certain you don't miss out on new channels or content you didn't previously know about. Once the guide data has been downloaded, your 4th generation Tablo is ready to enjoy. Have questions or comments about Tablo? We're here to help. Our customers are very important to us, and we offer many ways to find the answers you seek in our FAQs, quick start guides, and knowledge base articles. To access these resources or to get help from Tablo users in our active community forums, visit our website at tablotv.com/support. There you'll also find links and info to connect directly to our helpful customer success team through email, phone, or live chat. Discover the world of free TV with Tablo today.